Amidst the lush greenery of the wild, a tiny Gouldian finch appears on a branch, its vibrant colors captivating anyone who sees it. With its striking red head, mysterious purple breast, and iridescent blue-yellow plumage, this bird is considered one of the most beautiful in the world. Each light hop on the branch showcases the agility and grace bestowed upon it by nature. Few know that Gouldian finches originate from northern Australia and are renowned for their exceptionally colorful plumage, more so than most other birds. These colors not only create a unique beauty, but also play a crucial role in communication and mating. Observing this small bird in its natural habitat, we realize that beauty doesn't necessarily come from grandeur. Sometimes, a tiny creature can bring the world to life with its very presence. That fleeting moment reminds us to take the time to appreciate the simple things around us. Because nature always holds wonderful wonders, bringing peace, joy, and a sense of happiness to those who know how to stop and admire them. When I see the lush green rainforest, where sunlight filters through the layers of leaves and birdsong echoes throughout the space, a world of vibrant colors silently exists. High on the branches, stunning tropical birds appear like living jewels of nature. From toucans, with their enormous, colorful beaks, to the dazzling macaws, each species carries within it a unique story of life, adaptation, and the wondrous beauty of creation. Observing these creatures in their natural environment, we are easily captivated by the striking colors of their plumage. But behind that beauty lies a journey of evolution spanning millions of years. Every shade, every shape, and every physical characteristic is shaped to serve survival. This could be a way to recognize its own kind, attract mates, camouflage itself from predators, or adapt to the unique environment of the rainforest. Tropical rainforests occupy only a small fraction of the Earth's surface, but are home to more than half of the planet's plant and animal species. They are considered one of the most diverse and complex ecosystems ever to exist. Every bird species found in these forests is a vital link in that web of life. Scientists have long recognized that tropical birds are not simply beautifying nature. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. By eating ripe fruit, they inadvertently carry seeds to many different areas. This allows trees to expand their growing range, creating new forests and maintaining biodiversity for generations. A toucan, quietly enjoying fruit on a branch, might seem ordinary to us. But in reality, this action contributes to the future growth of thousands of young trees. These tiny creatures are performing an incredibly important task that nature entrusted to them millions of years ago. Interestingly, nature always knows how to create perfect designs. The toucan's enormous beak, though seemingly heavy, is actually very light, thanks to its structure containing many air cavities inside. Not only does it help in finding food, but the beak also acts as a natural thermoregulation system, helping the body adapt to the hot, humid climate of the tropical forest. This is a wonderful example of the intelligence of evolution. Looking deeper into the natural world, we realize that every living thing has a role to play. No species exists meaninglessly. From tiny ants underground to vibrant birds high in the trees, all contribute to maintaining the fragile yet miraculous balance of the planet. Nature also offers humanity profound life lessons. Birds often live in pairs or flocks, working together to find food, defend their territory, and care for the next generation. This cooperation demonstrates the strength of solidarity and community cohesion. Many scientific studies show that contact with nature can help reduce stress, improve mental health, and bring a sense of happiness. Just a few minutes of gazing at lush greenery, listening to birdsong, or observing creatures roaming freely in their habitat can help people feel more relaxed. Nature is like an invisible healer for the soul. Perhaps that's why images of green forests, birds, and wildlife always evoke a special sense of peace. They remind us that life isn't just about pressure, worries, or endless competition. Sometimes, happiness is simply stopping, breathing in the fresh air, and appreciating the beauty around us. Each bird soaring through the sky is a symbol of freedom. Each song echoing through the forest is an affirmation of nature's vibrant life. And every moment we spend observing the wild world helps us reconnect with the most fundamental values of life. In a modern world full of technology and speed, nature silently exists as a patient teacher. Nature teaches us about balance, gratitude, adaptability, and the value of life. These lessons are not written in books, but are present in every forest, every river, and every creature that shares this planet with us. Watching the beautiful birds in the tropical forest, we not only admire their beauty, but also feel the wonder of life. Each creature is part of a much larger story, the story of the interconnectedness of all species on Earth. The parrot allows us to appreciate the wonder of nature. Every color, every feature on its body is the result of millions of years of evolution, creating a creature that is both beautiful and perfectly suited to its environment. The beauty of parrots lies not only in their vibrant colors, but also in their intelligence, adaptability, and strong sense of community. These qualities remind us that in the natural world, each creature possesses its own unique value, contributing to making life on Earth richer, more harmonious, and more precious. Before us is a fire-necked toucan, one of the most striking birds of the Central American rainforests. With its vibrantly colored beak, captivating pale blue eyes, and plumage a blend of black, yellow, and striking orange-red stripes, this bird resembles a living work of art in the wild. In this moment, the toucan is calmly perched on a branch, enjoying a piece of ripe fruit. Its distinctive long beak allows it easy access to fruit at the tips of branches that many other birds struggle to reach. Despite its enormous size, this beak is incredibly light, thanks to its structure containing many air cavities inside, a biological design that continues to amaze scientists. Fire-necked toucans mainly inhabit tropical rainforests from southern Mexico to Colombia. Their diet includes fruit, berries, insects, and sometimes small animals. In the process of foraging, they inadvertently carry seeds throughout the forest, contributing to the maintenance of biodiversity and the regeneration of green forests over generations. Remarkably, the toucan's beak is not only used for foraging, but also acts as a natural thermoregulator. The internal vascular system helps the body dissipate heat efficiently, aiding in its adaptation to the hot and humid tropical climate. Observing the bird quietly enjoying its meal, we perceive a wonderful balance in nature. Every feature of an animal's body has a specific purpose, perfected over millions of years of evolution to serve its survival. This simple moment reminds us that nature always holds wonders. From a tiny bird to vast forests, everything is interconnected in a perfect ecosystem. It is this very beauty that brings people a sense of peace, joy, and a deep appreciation for the natural world that exists around us. Amidst the peaceful expanse of nature, two small birds are gently together, a beautiful symbol of love and connection. Without words, through tender gestures and their presence side by side, they tell us a touching story of trust and companionship. In the animal world, many bird species are renowned for their incredible loyalty. They build nests together, care for their young, and overcome life's challenges together. Every flight, every foraging trip, and every breeding season is a journey they share together. Observing moments like these, we realize that love doesn't only exist in humans. Nature also has its own ways of showing care, protection, and attachment. It's a connection built on trust, patience, and responsibility towards each other over time. Scientists believe that the bond between pairs of birds not only helps them survive better, but also creates a stable environment for nurturing the next generation. This cooperation has contributed to the sustained development of many species in nature for millions of years. This simple moment conveys a meaningful message. Happiness sometimes doesn't come from grand things, but is created from the presence of someone who is always there to support, share, and overcome life's challenges together. Watching the two small birds amidst peaceful nature, we feel the profound beauty of genuine love. It is a feeling that brings peace to the soul, makes life more meaningful, and reminds us to cherish those who are always by our side. It is this love and bond that makes the world warmer, happier, and more worth living each day. Amidst a peaceful, natural setting, two small birds are affectionately intertwined, their movements filled with love. There are no words, no promises, but this closeness reflects a genuine affection that anyone who witnesses it can feel. In the animal world, love is often expressed through care and companionship. Birds not only forage for food together, but also build nests, protect territory, and nurture the next generation. Each small action reflects the trust and bond formed over time. When a bird gently strokes its partner's feathers, it's not just ordinary care. Scientists say this strengthens the connection between pairs, reduces stress, and reinforces the relationship. These simple gestures help many bird species maintain lasting bonds throughout their lives. This moment makes us realize that happiness doesn't always come from grand gestures. Sometimes, happiness is simply having someone by your side, sharing small joys and overcoming life's difficulties together. Nature has taught us a profound lesson. True love doesn't lie in what we possess, but in caring, understanding, and being willing to walk alongside each other every step of the way. That is the foundation for lasting peace and happiness. Watching the two little birds amidst the vastness of nature, we feel the simple yet profoundly meaningful beauty of love. A sincere love can warm the soul, bring joy to life, and make each day more precious. Perhaps that's why moments of love in nature always touch the human heart. They remind us to love more, live more kindly, and cherish those who are always by our side. It is love that makes life more beautiful, meaningful, and happier each day. Amidst the tranquil natural surroundings, the two little birds are together, their gestures gentle and full of love. No grand gestures are needed. Just a glance, a closeness, is enough to create a moment that warms the hearts of viewers. In the animal world, love is often expressed through genuine care. They search for food together, protect their nest, and care for the next generation. Each action shows that bonding is not only a survival instinct, but also a crucial part of happiness. Scientists have discovered that many bird species form stable pairs that last for many years, even their entire lives. They accompany each other on long journeys, share difficulties, and build a safe home together. This is proof of the power of trust and loyalty in nature. Observing moments like these, we realize that happiness isn't about how much we possess, but about having someone to share the simplest things in life with. Someone who's there when things are good, encourages us in difficult times, and walks alongside us on the long journey ahead. Nature always offers profound lessons about love. True love doesn't need ostentation. It's expressed through small, repeated actions every day. It is care, understanding, and companionship that form the foundation for a lasting and happy relationship. This peaceful moment serves as a reminder that amidst the hustle and bustle of life, we shouldn't forget to cherish the loved ones around us. Because true happiness isn't a destination, but the moments shared with those we cherish. Watching the two little birds amidst the vastness of nature, we feel the pure beauty of love and connection. It is these simple things that make life more meaningful, warmer, and bring lasting happiness to each soul. Remind people of life's most beautiful values. Love isn't about finding a perfect person, but about growing together, overcoming difficulties together, and always showing each other heartfelt respect. Thank you very much. I need your support. Please give me a like and subscribe to watch the next video.